Good Monday morning, everyone. Hope you all had a great weekend, and I hope you are ready for the charts this week. This is Simone G, FX. Welcome to my channel. It's been a minute. Been quite busy these days, so I decided to share my trades with you this morning, my trade day with you this morning. You know, I trade mainly the Usdcad and the Australian dollar. So this morning, here on the Usdcad 50-minute chart, and let me show you what I'm in this long trade right now, and I'm going to show you what I saw and you know, which helped me take this trade. So you can see that we had this low over here, and price has been, you know, dipping into the low but never broke it. And I mean, these are some things that, you know, I look for. What's the price action story? What is it telling you? Price is giving you, you know, it's giving you a story, painting a picture, right? So we have this low. We tapped into that area of friction and demand, and broke lower, but each time look at what's going on. We really are not, you know, selling is drying up, and we're creating loads and loads of support in this area. So in my estimation, it was a matter of time before price started pushing up. So I looked at this momentum bar. Even though it didn't break through, there was momentum in it. Wasn't quite ready as yet, and I guess waiting on the MAs. And then we finally had price breaking through this area of friction. You see my area of friction over here. Price broke through, tapped in, and I'm long there, aggressive, because now what we have is the area of friction. We have the MAs just below, MAs just crossing over, and that's saying to me that we're preparing to push up. All right, so I'm long based on that premise. All right, so I'm not sure how far they're going to be pushing, because we have these highs up in here, hoping that these highs will be broken and we'll take out this high up here. So let's see how this trade runs. In some profit, in a bit of profit now, and I'll update you in a minute. All right, my one-to-one has just been slashed up in this zone here, so I'm just watching to see where we go from here. Getting a bit of rejection, but I'm being a little bit patient because the momentum is there. So let's see how this candle close goes. I get the feeling they want to break these highs, maybe even fill this wick over here for these equal highs over here. I don't know. All right, let's see. We have 12 minutes to the close. I'm out. All right, so I don't play like that, guys. I take my profit and I go. That was a beautiful trade, 1 to 1.62, and I'm done for the day. All right. Great trade on the Australian dollar. Took a little bit. Sorry, the Usdcad. Sorry. And it's still pushing, and maybe it's gonna do some more, but hey, it hit my one-to-one, gave me 1-to-1 point. What's this? 6-to-1. I'm grateful. I eventually went to my TP, but I don't play like that, man. So I'm out of the markets for the day. Hope you all had a great day of trading, and see you all next time. Peace out.